We are raised to believe that friends are our shield. We are told to trust them blindly. But in the shadow world of human psychology, your closest friend is your greatest hidden danger. The people you love are the ones who can destroy you the fastest. Not because they hate you, but because they envy you. Today, we shatter the ultimate illusion as we unlock law number 2 of Robert Greene's 48 Laws of Power. Never put too much trust in friends. Learn how to use enemies. If you rely on friendship, you are building your house on quicksand. Here is the cold, calculated truth about trust.
Friendship alters your judgment. It creates a dangerous illusion of safety. When you help a friend, you expect gratitude, but instead, you often breed resentment. Your success reminds them of their own failures. Every favor you grant them feels like a debt they cannot repay. Slowly, their admiration turns into hidden envy. You won't notice it at first. It starts with a subtle joke, a missed compliment, a cold glance. But beneath the surface, a storm is gathering. Honesty disappears in friendships because people want to avoid conflict. They disguise their true feelings until it is too late. If you want absolute loyalty, do not look to your friends. Look to those who have something to prove.
Let us look at Byzantine history in the 9th century. Michael III was a young and vulnerable emperor. He needed a man he could trust completely. So he chose his closest friend, Basilius. Basilius was poor, but Michael saved his life, gave him wealth, and raised him to power. He made his friend the co-emperor of the greatest empire in the world. Michael believed that unconditional love and gratitude would guarantee loyalty. He was completely wrong. Basilius grew greedy.
The more power Michael gave him, the more Basilius wanted. He realized he didn't need a master anymore. One night, after a grand feast, Basilius walked into the emperor's bedroom. He didn't come to talk. He came with a sword. Basilius brutally murdered the very man who had saved him from poverty. Michael trusted a friend and paid with his life. He forgot that gratitude is a burden, but ambition is a force.
The rules of Byzantium are alive today in every American corporation and social circle. To survive, you must reverse your understanding of relationships. First, never mix business with friendship. When you hire a friend, you lose your authority. You cannot critique them without destroying the relationship. They will demand favors and expect slack. Second, learn the power of employing enemies. An enemy is a goldmine of loyalty. Why? Because an enemy has everything to prove to you. If you offer them a hand, they will work twice as hard to show their worth. They are predictable. You know their motives. You know their boundaries. A former enemy will be more loyal than a lifelong friend. Keep your friends for friendship, but use your enemies to build your empire.
Trust is a vulnerability. Strategy is a shield. You now know how to navigate the dangerous waters of friends and rivals. But how do you keep people from tracking your movements? How do you stay invisible while executing your grand design? In the next video, we are entering the dark core of strategy. Law number 3. Conceal your intentions. We will expose the exact psychological tactics to throw everyone off your scent. Subscribe now or remain a pawn in someone else's game.